The word avidity is a term used by scientists to describe the combined strength of multiple bond interactions. The company Avidity represents its name well in its combined strength of science, scientists, and its revolutionary biotin AviTag technology.
The AviTag technology was founded on a technology invented by Peter Schatz. Peter Schatz was using this AviTag technology as a demonstration of a proof of concept for a directed evolution method that we co-developed that was called peptides on plasmids. And the AviTag came out of those experiments.
Avidity was founded in 1996 when Millard Cole was involved in the discovery of the AviTag sequence. Working for Affymax at the time, Millard obtained the exclusive rights and started his own company called Avidity. The company develops peptide tags and molecular biology products based upon the extraordinary affinity of biotin for avidin or streptavidin. In other words, Avidity develops and sells molecular affinity tools for combining molecules.
I'm a scientist here at Avidity, mainly focused on research and development, and the spectrum is very large. We do different research projects for different companies in parallel and develop new techniques.
Avidity sublicenses the right to use the AviTag technology to other companies and sells products for use with the technology. This AviTag technology has many scientific benefits and is licensed by 7 of the world's top 10 pharmaceutical companies.
We sell products around the world, several major universities and the largest pharmaceutical companies worldwide.
So here at Avidity, I function as their molecular biologist. So I can take the gene that codes for a protein, such as a fluorescent protein or a bioluminescent protein from an organism under the sea, and I can clone that gene into a context where we can use it as a tool, both for our research and also for products that we can sell to customers for really cool things.
In 2004, Millard was approached by Bruce Bryan of Prolume, who had a luciferase, an enzyme that makes light. He wanted to have some way of connecting his luciferase to molecules and surfaces. That is exactly what the AviTag does. The AviTag is a tool for connecting molecules to molecules and molecules to surfaces. The two companies were a perfect fit.
So we've defined our technology as a connection technology. And now we've brought in these other kinds of tools, and these tools are for visualizing molecules. And so the luminescent molecule, if you were to attach that to another molecule, you could see it when you added the substrate because it would glow.
Along with the luciferases, Avidity is also working with fluorescent proteins. Fluorescent molecules are different from bioluminescent molecules in that they require an input of light, whereas a bioluminescent molecule generates its own light from a substrate. The scientists at Avidity have been attaching the AviTag to those different molecules, generating a whole new business in fluorescent and bioluminescent proteins.
Going forward, we plan to kind of expand the applications for the AviTag. We're always looking for new applications and to show our customers how to use that technology. But we're also trying to discover new luciferases. Luciferases have different properties. Fusing those luciferases to fluorescent proteins to create really interesting colors. And so our hope is that we can generate bioluminescent molecules that have different wavelengths than the typical blue color that you see in the deep sea luciferases.
The company is currently developing new technologies around the AviTag that are patentable, but also bring in some of the other technologies that work with the AviTag, like the fluorescent proteins and bioluminescent proteins. With its continued success of the AviTag technology, along with the expanding business in fluorescent and luminescent proteins, Avidity's future looks ever so bright.